box of Thin Mints?
Sure, I'll take 2 boxes.
How about 2 million?
Nim's longest recorded sentence was, give orange me give eat orange me eat orange give me eat orange give me you.
Today, you're going to be trying snacks from Korea. Have you ever heard of Korea?
No.
Suvi, you're Korean.
Oh. Bring out the snacks.
You are my dad. You're my dad. Wookie, wookie, wookie.
What's the problem?
Math problems.
Oh, I can help you. Let me see. Alright, here's the easy one. What's 6 times 3? 6 times 3.
I don't know.
6 times 3. I don't. 6 times 3. I legit don't know. 6 3. I don't know. What is it? What is it? Get your mom.
Why?
Teresa!
What's the problem?
Homework.
What's 6 times 3?
I don't know. 6 times 3. I don't know. What's 6 plus 6?
Oh, 12.
Now add 6. I don't know. What is it? What is it? Get your math teacher. Mr. Patrick. Boom. What? Homework. I taught you this. What's 6 times 3? I don't know. Look, if Johnny had 6 times 3 amounts of this soap, how much dish soap would he have? Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David.
What's war?
Well, it's when opposing militaries engage each other and
Bet you I can eat all these fudge straps.
Megan, no!
Megan!
Megan! Oh no, Megan.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. I don't know what's been going on, but I just wanna give you a pretty close to the sky.
Hello?
I love you.
I am in nature. I have lifetime supply of vitamin D3. This tree represents me, because I am emotionally broken down. Roses are red, violets are blue. I am a hummingbird, I shall suck their natural hue. When alone, one must meditate. Who needs house when you have hole? Ow, I am stung by bush again.
Getting hungry. You still hungry? I didn't eat yet. Lies! You just had Thanksgiving last week. We need food every day. No, your ass just greedy.
Today I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire time.
Come on, give it back.
First you gotta say my name.
Alright, Big Daddy. Come on, now give it back.
My name Carl.
So some total jerkwad just said that my laugh was gross. So I turned around and I said, yeah, well, your face is gross.
Ah, yes, we are finally near the ocean.
To the trees! To the trees!
Be careful going up those stairs.
Relax. I know these stairs like I know myself. I don't know myself.
What?
No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic question. Next, you have been stopped.
That was majestic.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
I'm black.
I'm yellow.
I'm a fidget spinner.
It's the fidget spinner!
Are you winning, son? Son?
Wait. I have one last thing to tell you.
The prophecy's made up.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
For the prophecy! I'm gonna kill you, dragon. Oh no, he's hot!
I'm just in this like giant mine shaft.
Any askers?
Even now, at your job, there is a freak. There's a weird guy at every job that makes you concernicus every time he's around. And the strange thing about it, it's the same guy at every single job you go to, right? He's there, you quit, you go to the new job, and you're like, that isn't the guy from the other job. That's the guy, the scary guy. Why am I talking in such a high voice? It's ridiculous. It makes no sense. I can describe the guy. I can tell you right now. I can list all the features of this guy. First of all, he's not a fat guy. He's not fat. You would never say he's fat, but he is shapes. He's like an amoeba. He's always a different consistency, and nobody talks to that guy. If you're in the break room with a couple of your friends, right, and you see him come morphing in out of your periphery, second he comes in, you're like, hey, you guys want to get the out of the break room? What do you guys want to do? Let's go up on the roof and break dance. Let's go behind the vending machine. Can somebody pull the vending machine up so I can go behind here? Move the machine, please. Please.
Sometimes I like to pretend I'm tall, but I'm just standing on a chair. Welcome back to me screaming.